Good morning. I remain Lawani Steven. I'll be talking on the benefits of trading the forex markets. When I say benefits, I mean the advantages or what you stand to gain by being a forex trader. Now, the first advantage is this liquidity. That's one of the benefits of the forex market. The forex market happens to be the biggest market in the world, where liquidity is not the problem. There's a whole lot of money in this market. You understand me? So when you trade, there's nothing like because there's no money in the market, I cannot trade. No, there's nothing like that. You understand me? That's the way the market operates. You understand me? Now, will I now say secondly, one of the advantage is let's say accessibility. When I mean accessibility, I mean you have access to this market easily, unlike it used to be, where it was let's say a tug of war within two financial institutions. You understand me? And for you to trade those days, you have to have a whole lot of funds. You understand me? Being a bank is not easy. It's no chance play. You understand me? That's the way it operates. So but today it has become accessible for anybody. Once you have an Android phone or let's say a Apple phone, you can get online and start trading. Get MetaTrader 4 and you're on to the market. In fact, the first day you enter that bank, you will even press buy and the market will go towards your direction and you make your money. But the issue is this: you cannot keep doing something ignorantly and it will keep giving you returns on investments. You understand me? So the fact that we can all access the market does not mean we can all be profitable in this market. Hope you get what I'm saying, right? That's just one fundamental truth about this market. Then the third one is potential for profit. When I mean potential for profit, it's a two-sided coin. When we say profit, on what perspective are we looking at the word profit? When you have $100 accounts, and that $100 account, let's say you make $10 additional to it, that's 10%, right? Because now we don't deal in forex trading, we don't deal in money, we deal in percents. You understand me? There's nothing like I made $50, I made $100. No. What percentage gain? What percentage loss? You understand me? So you have a potential for profit, and you also have a potential for mega profit. But now the problem we have is this: people tend to look up for the word big profits. You understand me? Big profits that they can make, and at the same time they can also incur big losses. You understand me? So the fact that it has a potential for profits does not mean you can go there and do anything anyhow and expect profits. It doesn't work at all. You understand me? It doesn't work in any way. The fact that this market is very, very profitable does not mean it is too profitable. You understand me? So that's one of the things that helps one in understanding this market. Now the fourth one I'm talking about is leverage. So what is leverage? From the basic English, what leverage is and what you can do that gives you more advantage. That's what it's something that adds to your advantage. Doing business without much capital gives you less leverage than somebody who has much capital. If someone has more capital, he can buy more farms and make more profit than somebody who does not have a lot of capital. So what is leverage in the forex market? Your ability to trade with more power. But the problem with leverage is this: when you trade with more money, you understand me, you can also lose heavily. The fact that leverage gives you access to have more funds also means you can lose more funds. So the beauty of leverage is this: if you are sure that the market will go towards your direction, the highest leverage you can use, you make your own money. But the problem is nobody can be sure of the market 100%. That's why there's a measure of control in this forex market. You understand what I'm saying? That's just the fundamental truth of the matter. So when people approach the market with I have leverage, I can do anything, you can do anything, but you cannot do anything anyhow. You understand me? That's just the fact that you have the advantage of leverage does not give you the audacity to misbehave in this market, because this market is a crazy bitch. If it will deal with it, it will deal with you no matter your origin, no matter the fluency of your English, it will deal with you like a beast. You understand me? That's just it. Then one other thing is this diversification. Now in the forex market, we have several currency pairs. We have Euro USD, USD CHF, USD JP. We have countless currency pairs. So you can determine that, okay, on this trading screen, I'll be using Euro USD. I'm trading this indicator. I'll be using this indicator, and this account will be for this screen. So if I don't see my my signal, I'm not going in for this account. So this account at the end of the day may end up bringing in money, while this one is having a downtime. You understand me? So that's the way this market is what is. So you have the ability to diversify your assets. You understand me? Then it goes a long way in helping you. You get what I'm saying? That's just the bitter truth about this market. That's just the truth. I mean, you can diversify. You understand me? Trade many asset class and you'll be fine. But I want to say something about diversification. Trading a whole lot of assets does not mean your profitability. Note. That's just it, because it's a bitter truth. Many people don't want to face it, but we must face it. Either face it or we don't face it. We're gonna have problems when we don't want to face the truth. You understand me? Now, in terms of flexibility, when we mean flexibility in forex trading, we mean that you can trade any time of the day you want. You can determine that you want to trade in the night. You can tell me you want to trade in the day. So if you're a medical doctor, you can tell me to trade anytime, because as a medical practitioner, you have your, role when you work. You can say, okay, when I'm not working, I'll get on the forex market and trade, and it's very, very okay, very, very profitable. You understand me? So you can choose your working hours. Now 7, educational resources. Now the forex market is plagued with a whole lot of educational resources, but the actual true educational resources is few. There are a whole lot of information on the net. I flipped my account from $5,000 to $10,000. I flipped my account from $10,000 to $20,000. I was able to build my account from $26 to $1 million in 6 months. You know, these are sweet stories, man. This girl knows what she's doing. You know, I keep laughing at people. You understand? Because it doesn't work. So there are a whole lot of educational resources, but how many educational resources are actually true? That's why you need a guide. You need somebody to guide you. You need somebody to direct you. You understand me? So that to go a long way in what? In helping you. You get what I'm saying? That's just the facts. When we don't treat the market from the perspective of, how do I explain this thing? Getting the right knowledge is more important than the available resources online. That's why I use the word, the internet is plagued with a whole lot of educational resources. But which of the educational resources is worthwhile and able to give you value for your money? Then another point is this: mobility. You can trade anywhere in the world. You can be in US and trade. You can be in Canada and trade. You can be, provided anywhere you find yourself, there is phone with you and you have internet connection, you can trade anywhere in the world. You get what I'm saying? You can trade anywhere in the world. It doesn't stop you. Provided you know what you're doing, you'll make your money. But if you don't want to do that, you're gonna see shits. I mean, what shits? You get what I'm saying? That's the problem we have. So as much as you can trade anywhere, you must trade where you have a stable internet connection, so that there will not be problems, because internet connection is also a very, very important factor in trading the forex market. Then the last thing is the final stage of Forex markets, being an investor. Now, one thing I would like to say is this. Oh no, don't let me say being an investor, having access to investors. Now, in the Forex market, people don't want to hear what you do. People want to see what you've done. If you want to learn how to do graphics design, how to design graphics for companies or other things like that, you can actually show them what you've done. Okay, this is what I've done. This is my pedigree. I designed this flyer for this particular company. I designed this, I did this, I did this, I did that, and it's verifiable. You understand me? But in the Forex market, the proof that you know what you're doing is the money that you have. That's just the big difference. So now, one major thing that now helps you is this: before investors can trust you with their funds, what have you done? Or what can you do? So when that comes into play and you're able to show them results, forget it, you run away from money. But the sweet thing about these investors is they're not even looking for big returns on their investments. With 20-25%, they are okay. What they are more concerned about is not even their profitability, is the security of their funds. Can this guy be trusted? Can this woman be trusted? If she can be trusted, then, and she's trusted and tested, you understand me? You're okay. You'll make your whole lot of money. Maybe they give you $100,000. Maybe you can make $25,000, and and maybe you only hire for like 40% and collect the 15% and give them the 25%. You're okay. Seriously, you're okay. You're a big guy. Seriously. But the problem is this: many people are not looking onto the market from that perspective. You have access to a whole lot of funds. You understand me? There's a whole lot of financial crisis currently in the world. You understand me? There are some hedge funds that don't even give up to 20% as I speak with you. So when you have this skill, you get it. You are made. Once people are sure that, okay, when we give you $1,000, you can give us let's say $250 at the end of the year. People are not looking for 300-500%. When you approach an investor and you're telling them you give them 100% in 1 year, they'll start being skeptical of your person, because they'll start looking at you from the perspective of, then you don't have a control of your trade. How do you tend to make 100%? So you're possibly gambling, and when you approach the market from the perspective of a gambler, you have problems. You understand me? So these are the advantages of choosing a career in the world of trading. You understand me? Then the last one, education. Now, I said something: access to educational resources and education. Now, if you have this skill, you can easily teach people and you collect money from them for teaching them. No knowledge is free. You understand me? So when you teach, you collect your money. No cash. You can teach somebody in 2 months and you charge them, and you're okay. You understand me? That's one major thing about this market. So you see, you have a whole lot of advantages. You understand me? So know what you're doing, understand this market, and when you do, you're okay. I love you very much. Thank you.